What's up, you guys? I am so excited for today's video because you could probably tell from the title of the video, I am going to be sharing with you another pair of Christian Louboutin shoes that I picked up recently. If you found my channel and if you're new here, hello, my name is Alex. I really just use this channel as number one, a hobby, but number two, to really share personal style, personal things that I've been loving, and just to have an outlet for my love of fashion, to be honest with you. I really love style and just styling things ever since I was a kid, to be honest with you. Hopefully on this channel you're able to find some things that are beneficial and useful for either your styling or shopping decisions. And yeah, you probably found me through an unboxing, a review, so happy that you all could join me back again. Now, when it comes to Louboutins, you guys know I have quite a collection of Louboutin shoes. I think I definitely have over 22 or 23 pairs. Obviously, I did not roll out of bed and buy them all overnight. It's been something that I've been accumulating throughout the years, and ever since I've been getting more into my aesthetic, into style, and just different things like that. And so Louboutin was always the first brand that I was always gravitated towards from a shoe standpoint, just because the iconic red sole, how it really elevates an outfit, and also it just really is that statement making shoe. You could be statement making with a low-key pair or with a pair that's like really out there and is really a conversation starter. With Louboutin, I tend to like both extremes, to be honest with you. I would say if you asked me pre-pandemic, I was really into like the glitzy, the spikes, you know, just all the embellishments and everything. I was really fortunate to meet Christian Louboutin quite a while back. I want to say at least it's been now 4 to 5+ years, almost 6 years. I definitely was a lot bigger, like overweight back then. It's crazy to look back at it because at that time I didn't think I was like fluffy or a little bit overweight. I have been kind of going through like a really big fitness and health journey. You know, just boxing, personal training, going to the gym a lot, and so yeah, it's just kind of crazy to see that photo of me because I'm like, damn, like I look like a whole different person. But yeah, you know, Louboutins. I met Mr. Christian Louboutin. He was so sweet, so amazing. I hope to have that opportunity again in the near future. I have a pair of shoes signed from Christian Louboutin. So, you know, my love for this brand has really been something very true to me. Like I live, breathe, sleep Louboutin. Like I think some people probably feel the same about like a Coco Chanel or something like that. So the brand and the designer definitely has like a place in my fashion heart. And so when I saw these on Matches Fashion at the price they were, I was at loss of words, to be honest with you. And I was at loss of words because I love shopping on Matches Fashion, so I was really sad to see them going through administration. Hopefully they're still around, but you know, they are price slashing a lot of really amazing things on there. So whatever is left on there, if the website and app is still up by the time this video is up, definitely take advantage of it. But when I saw the Louboutin Louis Juniors, I believe that's what they're called, at the price they were, in black, size 42, I was like, oh my, like, WTF, click, 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 check out, check out, check out. Because normally these shoes with, you know, taxes and everything here in the US would definitely be close to $1,000, and I paid anything but that price for them. I paid like more than half off. So yeah, it was really a good come up and a good find. I love shopping on Matches, so I will miss them. They had the best curation of things, like a lot of really great stuff. But I of course will link down below where you can get the Christian Louboutin Louis Junior flats from other websites and other things. So here are the shoes in question right here. They're just, you know, your classic black Christian Louboutin low top black sneakers. These are in a soft calfskin, so you know they are very shiny and very plush and supple, but You know, they're not patent leather and they're not a textured leather. They are a true smooth calfskin. And so absolutely love these shoes because they go really with anything. My first time actually seeing them styled recently, I believe it was when Will Smith came out at Coachella and he performed, I want to say it was with J Balvin, Maluma, one of them. So I think it was J Balvin. It was somebody. I'll insert a screenshot right here. But he was actually wearing this exact pair of shoes, and he was wearing it with the suit. I think he was performing a song. I think his Miami song or a song from Men in Black. I'm not too sure, but I was like, man, like these shoes look really good with a suit, and I wear a lot of suiting in my professional life. So it was kind of a no-brainer for me to pick these up. So what I love about the shoe is that it is a super duper sleek shoe. You can see that the lacing on them is just absolutely impeccable. You have your Christian Louboutin logo inside right here, and then of course on the bottom you have your signature red. Now, as I mentioned in past videos, Christian Louboutin sneakers do have the rubber red sole, so it's really easy to keep clean and fresh. I've already worn these shoes a couple of times already, and after each wear, what I normally do is take either a makeup wipe, a baby wipe, or micellar water on a cleansing like towelette and just clean off the bottom after each use. This way you could keep the bottom of them as red and clean as possible. If you wait for the grime to build up after each use to try to wipe them down, it could be really difficult to keep them clean and as vibrant and red as possible. Again, they're this red after already about 3 to 4 plus uses. And I wore these in grass, I wore these on cement, sidewalks, so they are really, really easy to keep clean. So again, what I love about the Louboutin low top sneakers is that they're just really timeless and effortless. You could really style them with anything. You know, you could wear these with jeans, you could wear these with suiting. They fit true to size, just like all my other Louboutins. I normally wear a true US 9 or a true 42, and so I just really love these a lot. You know, they're really sleek, they're really sexy, effortless and timeless, but you know, just really refined and such a rich black. Like the black on this is so pigmented and so supple. It just looks so luscious to the naked eye. So if you are thinking about getting these, definitely don't hesitate. If you could still find them on Matches, that's going to be the best bet, obviously. But they are an essential classic, and I think really just a nice touch for some flair without, you know, all the spikes, all the embellishments. On the high top versions of these, you will get a Louboutin logo in enamel, like kind of embedded within the material. On these ones, you do not. You can just see on the opposite side that it's just solid black. Anyways, you guys, that wraps it up for this quick video. Let me know your thoughts on the Louboutin Louis low top sneakers. I know I'm butchering the name. The title has the correct name. And yeah, until next video, I'll see you guys then. Take care.